Ever wonder why an ounce of gold isn't exactly the same as an ounce you buy at the store? Understanding the troy ounce can help you see the real value of precious metals. Gold and silver are priced using a measurement called the troy ounce, which is a bit different from the ounces we use every day. One troy ounce is about 10% heavier than a standard ounce, meaning when you buy or sell precious metals, you are dealing with a weight that's recognized globally and consistent for all transactions. The Why Precious Metals Guide points out that understanding this standard helps you know exactly what you're buying and ensures you are comparing apples to apples in the market. I've linked this guide in the description. And this is just one of 8 PDFs in the free Gold RA Ultimate Guide bundle, alongside titles like the Company Integrity Checklist and Digital Dollar Report, all designed to give you clear, practical guidance for investing. If you want to make sure you understand how gold and silver are measured and priced, download the full Gold RA Ultimate Guide bundle. You can get it for free with clear explanations to help you make informed choices. You can find the link in the description.